What's up, everybody? It's your boy Rashid here, man, back with another banger video. And today's video is all about the balance transfer method. The balance transfer method is something that you want to have in your arsenal if you are going to use credit to invest. Y'all know on my page, that's something I preach, using credit to invest. And if you are going to do that, this method is going to save you a lot. It's going to save you more than you think. Because listen, if you are really good and really skilled, but I ain't gonna lie, with startups and everything like that, sometimes it takes time to get it up, you know? So sometimes your time limit, you got a promo offer on a card that's 12 months, 15 months, 21 months, but it's taking you a little bit longer to start your business. So guess what? Y'all know them interest rates are gonna start creeping up on you, man. It's 20%, 25%, 30%, astronomical numbers. And what I preach is, you're gonna do this method and use credit to invest, you don't need to pay no interest, bro. Interest, why would you let the bank make money off you, bro? Come on now. Like, that's not what credit cards are used for. And like I said, I also preach paying a card off every month. But if you got 0% interest offer for 12 months, 24 months and stuff like that, you can use this for a LLC startup to get your business going. And while you're in the process of doing that, if it takes longer than expected, you can always balance transfer out. So what I mean by that, you get you another 0% interest card, because if you've done this right, the first card you already have is 0%. You don't want to do this if you don't have a 0% interest card. Like I said, I preach that a lot, y'all. 0%, 0%, 0%. Do not get a card if it doesn't have 0%. I just got some astronomical promo offer that you got to show me before I, say it's good or not. It got to be some astronomical stuff for y'all not to do that. But 0%. If you're already on a 0% interest card, you're good. And then, like I said, once you creep up on that 12-month period, you're at the 11th month, you're like, man, I couldn't start my business up. Like, I didn't have enough, time. I didn't recruit the money I thought I was going to recruit. All right, then this is what you do. You go get you another one. Yes, you can do this. Get you another 0% interest card. Make sure it has 0% interest on both sides, so balance transfers and on just purchases. Make sure you got both of those, and also make sure that it doesn't have a balance transfer fee. Sometimes they charge fees on that. So that's what you do. Once you creep up on that, you transfer that balance onto that card, and guess what? You got another 12 to 24 months. So that's how you don't pay no interest. So now look, you went from having 1 year to start this business up to having 2 years, 3 years. And you can keep doing it. Like, you literally can keep doing it. It's no limit on how many times you can balance transfer. But like I always preach to y'all, pay your cards off, pay your debt off, bro. Don't just let this debt pile up on y'all. Please don't. Like, even if you got to start another business, like, even if you got to switch up the business and do it again, just please intend on paying this stuff off, bro. Because listen, I don't want none of y'all going bankrupt. I don't want nothing to happen to none of y'all. I don't want y'all to be stressed out financially or anything like that. So that's my recommendation. If you are going to do this, your next 12 months needs to be banging. You need to be over there hustling. You need to be trying to make that back. Like, if you have to do that again and do another 12 months, bro, you need to be hustling. You need to get another business and do something, bro. But that's that balance transfer method. Some cards I recommend y'all checking out that does that. Man, the City Double Cash, that's a good one that does it. US Bank Platinum card. On that business side, it's a hack. If you got the business credit, y'all should have this if y'all doing this. They got balance transfer on the business side. So you can do a balance transfer from, any of your other business cards to that. So it's a lot of ways to do it. If y'all need more cards and everything like that, or, you're creeping up on that point to where, like, you need to balance transfer and you figure out what to do or what business to get into, I got my mentorship down below. Make sure y'all check out my mentorship. I'm giving you all the sauce, all the exclusive sauce of what credit cards to get, how to run the stack and play, how to get in some of these institutions that are hard to get in, all that data points and all that, bro. So y'all tap in down below for my mentorship. But listen, I'm out of here. Y'all be safe. Use that balance transfer method to save y'all from paying the interest, man. Don't never pay interest, bro. But listen, I'm out of here. Y'all be safe. Sheezy out. Peace.